8 reasons why driving instructors are effective to guide. Driving instructors demonstrate safer driving techniques and maneuvers. They train the learners at hazard perception to prevent the accidental situation. Instructors provide you with road safety tips that they gained over time. Driving instructors help you understand each part of your vehicle properly. You get to clear all your doubts from your instructor during and after the class. The multilingual instructors can make you understand concepts in your native language. They provide you driving lessons as per your convenient time, date, and place. Driving instructors helps you pass the driving test by providing expert guidance. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.